At BuildSmart, we're not in business to replace the local design professional or builders or developers that are still out there practicing their trades. We want to be a tool that helps them deliver on the promise of improved energy efficiency, no matter what climate zone they're in or what performance thresholds they aspire to.
We used a lot of trainees that had never touched construction before, and there were things that we had to do from the grading and everything, making sure that it's level because of the components and the way it comes together like a big jigsaw puzzle. You are able to take less skilled individuals, bring them to the site, show them what needs to be done, and the repetitious of doing it one after another, you can assemble a larger project with less difficulty than you would if you were doing full stick built in conventional construction.
We've been spending years with this dream of building a highly energy efficient, comfortable, as we said, no cold corners home for us and a family to be. So we had looked all over this region for builders and products that were available that could help us realize that dream. And BuildSmart doesn't compare to those things because it's in a class all of its own.
Good man. Hey, listen, the way we are building right now with the BuildSmart system is beautiful. I don't think we will ever consider any other way of building. The way it goes up, the way it goes together, the way it's tight, the energy qualities of it, it's the best system I've ever seen in my life.
The first thing I noticed, which is amazing working in Philly, is the reduction of waste. This building is, I don't know, 15,000 square feet or whatever, and we've had maybe 3 dumpsters. And to do a job this size, easily like 8, 9 dumpsters of waste, of cutoffs and whatnot. Furthermore, we're already ahead of the game because we have the windows in and we're virtually sealed up. And so when you're working in a small city like this and you got to get around and go back and put windows in on such a big building in a tight space, that would have easily added months. So the whole system of prefab, windows pre-installed, 1 round of insulation, hopefully it is the wave of the future and more people will start building more efficiently.
What's a real benefit for the kind of newly initiated designers or architects with the Build Smart system is that you're pretty much guaranteed the performance of the envelope because that's what the system is based around. It's based around systematizing a high-performance building envelope so that as an architect you don't have to spend your time on figuring those details out and you don't have to worry whether they will be performed in the way that you've designed it because it's built into the system. And that's what I love about the Build Smart system. It's not reinventing the way we build buildings. We're building the buildings pretty much in the exact same way. So everybody's an expert. Everybody who builds buildings can build high-performance buildings. That's how we change the scale, and that's how we change the industry.